Welcome to Driving Basics, a beginner's guide. We're here to help you feel confident behind the wheel. Learning to drive is an exciting milestone. We'll take this step by step, maintaining a calm, professional, and encouraging approach. It's normal to feel a little nervous, but by the end of this guide, you will understand the fundamental steps to safely operate a vehicle. Our guide is broken down into 3 crucial segments. First, vehicle preparation. Second, identifying essential controls. And finally, executing the first move. Before the engine even starts, preparation is paramount. This ensures comfort, optimal visibility, and safety. First, adjust your seat so you can easily reach the pedals and the steering wheel without leaning. Your knees should be slightly bent. Next, adjust your side and rear view mirrors. You want maximum visibility to the sides and rear of your vehicle, minimizing blind spots. The most vital step, fasten your seatbelt. Make sure it crosses your chest and laps snugly. It's the first line of defense. Now, let's get familiar with the 4 main controls you will be using: the brake, accelerator, steering wheel, and gear shift. The pedal on the right is the accelerator, which makes the car go. The larger pedal on the left is the brake. Always use your right foot for both pedals in an automatic car. The steering wheel should be held using the 9 and 3 feet or 10 and 2 feet positions on a clock face. This gives you the best control. The gear shift controls the direction of your car. Remember P for park, R for reverse, and D for drive. It's time for the first move. Always practice in a quiet, empty parking lot or a safe, private space. With your foot firmly on the brake pedal, insert the key in turn or press the start button. Keep your foot on the brake, shift the gear selector from P park to D drive. If your parking brake is engaged, release it now. This is often done by pushing a button or lowering a lever. Slowly and gently lift your foot off the brake. The car may begin to creep. Then, lightly press the accelerator to move forward, maintaining a very low speed. To stop, slowly ease your foot off the accelerator and gently press the brake pedal. Focus on bringing the car to a smooth, controlled stop. You've covered the essential basics of preparing your vehicle and executing your first movement. Remember the sequence. Adjust the seat and mirrors, fasten your seatbelt, and always start with your foot on the brake. Keep practicing in a safe, quiet environment. Repetition builds confidence and muscle memory. Thank you for watching. Stay calm, stay safe, and enjoy your journey to becoming a confident driver.